Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. Um, Today we have an unboxing from Dawn O Gelsby, and apologies if I sound a bit grumpy. I'm getting sick of the sight of this rain. We've had it like every day so far, and I'm just getting... It can have an effect on your mood, you know. You keep seeing rain all the time, it does make you miserable. And I'm getting sick of the sight of this weather now. I know it's autumn, but anyway, let's get into the box. So this is a package from Dawn O Gelsby, I believe. And in here, I have no idea, because as you can see, it's quite... It doesn't feel like sweets or anything, but she did say, I had to check with her because I wasn't sure if it was for my birthday or not for my birthday, but it feels quite hard, so I'm assuming it's either storage cases or it's a Crystal Creations. If it is, I don't know, because I don't recall putting that on my wish list. But what lies underneath this box? Oh yes. It is. Yeah, there we go, look. Dawn O Gelsby to the rescue, look. Oh yes. Now, I recently put this on my wish list, and I'm in a massive sort of like... I need these. It's in high demand for kitting up. So that's done me a favour really, because the ones that are flying through Temu are taking a little bit longer. So that means we can do some more kitting up. So thank you very, very much indeed. And I think you get 2 packs for $4.99. That's a really good bargain. Now, I think she's put something... Oh, look, she's done me another one, look. Wow, look at that. Thank you very, very much, John. Look, we've got 4 cases now, so that's 4 weeks worth of kitting up. Look at that. Oh, you beauty. Fantastic. So, just see if there's there's a note in here, and it says, a gift from Dawn O Gelsby. See, she's done it again. She's done it again. It seems like every time I go over to my relatives, like, she must know when I visit, because every time I visit there's another one from Dawn O Gelsby. So just checking anything else. There's nothing else in there, so OMG, very, very happy indeed, because yeah, I cannot tell you how much I need these backs. I need hundreds of the things. Every time we get another painting come in, I've got to get another one of these come in. So and it's weird because I used to phase these out, and then I just tried to work so hard like diamond painting to try to free them up again. But with the amount of paintings coming in at the moment, we've had to revert back to buying them. And these are my all-time favourite to buy. So thank you very, very much, Dawn. And yeah, 4 weeks worth there. So absolutely fantastic. So please remember to like, share, subscribe. As I said, a massive thank you to Dawn O Gelsby, who has very kindly sent me another gift. So yeah, I can't wait to get kitting up on that. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's completely free of charge. And tap the notification bell and you'll be notified as and when a video goes up on the channel. But once again, a huge thank you to the lovely Dawn O Gelsby here, who very, very kindly bought me these storage racks. So excellent, eh? And I will get off here now and start to do some preparations for tomorrow evening, and then we can start getting up the painting. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.